15 irresistible reasons to hit the gym today. Reason 1, improve overall health. Regular exercise at the gym boosts your cardiovascular fitness, strengthens your immune system, and enhances your overall well-being. It's a surefire way to a healthier, longer life. Reason 2, boost cardiovascular fitness. Cardio workouts like running on the treadmill or using the elliptical machine improve heart health and endurance, keeping your heart strong and efficient. Reason 3, build muscle strength. Weight training exercises like bench presses, squats, and deadlifts help you build muscle mass, increase strength, and enhance your physique. Reason 4, reduce stress. Working out is a fantastic stress reliever. It helps clear your mind, release endorphins, and leave you feeling more relaxed and positive. Reason 5, improve mental health. Exercise has been proven to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, boost mood, and improve overall mental well-being. Reason 6, boost self-confidence. Seeing progress in your fitness journey, like increased strength and muscle definition, can significantly boost your self-esteem and confidence. Reason 7, increase flexibility. Stretching exercises and yoga at the gym improve flexibility, making everyday movements easier and reducing the risk of injury. Reason 8, enhance endurance. Cardiovascular exercises build your stamina, allowing you to perform better in both your workouts and daily activities. Reason 9, improve posture. Strengthening your core and back muscles helps you maintain better posture, reducing back pain and enhancing your overall appearance. Reason 10, lower risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise lowers the risk of conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, contributing to a longer, healthier life. Reason 11, strengthen bones. Weight-bearing exercises like squats and deadlifts increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Reason 12, boost metabolism. Building muscle mass through strength training increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Reason 13, promote better sleep. Regular exercise improves sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Reason 14, manage weight. Consistent workouts help you maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity and associated health problems. Reason 15, develop discipline. Committing to regular gym sessions fosters discipline and consistency, which can translate into other areas of your life. Remember, fitness is a journey which may take time, but every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Let's conquer our goals together. Watch my other videos.